Hello everyone. This video is about software requirements document. The software requirements document is the specification of the system. It should include both a definition and a specification of the requirements. It is not a design document, but as far as possible, it should set out what the system should do rather than how it should do it. The software requirement specification provides a basics for creating the software requirement specification, that is SRS. We have some standard template for writing the SRS. These are the standard templates. It includes introduction, general description, functional requirements, interface requirements, performance, design constraints, and so on. The introduction part includes the purpose of this document and the scope of this document, then the overview. The general description template describes the general functionality of the product, such as similar system information, user characteristics, user objective, general constraints placed on design team. The functional requirements describe the possible effects of a software system, in other words, what the system must accomplish. The interface requirements describe how the software interfaces with other software products or the users for input or output. The user interfaces describes how this product interfaces with the user. It includes GUI, CLI, API. The performance requirement specifies the speed and memory requirements, and the design constraints specifies any constraints for the design team, such as software or hardware limitations. The non-functional attribute specifies any other particular non-functional attributes required by the system, such as security, binary compatibility, reliability, maintainability, portability, etc. The operational scenarios describe a set of scenarios that illustrate from the user's perspective what will be experienced when utilizing the system under various situations. The preliminary schedule provides an initial version of the project plan, including the major tasks to be accomplished, their interdependencies, and their tentative start-stop dates. The preliminary budget, it provides an initial budget for the project. The appendices includes definitions, acronyms, abbreviations, reference, etc. This is about the standard template for writing SRS. Next, characteristics of SRS. We have various characteristics. They are correct, unambiguous, complete, consistent, specific, traceable. The first characteristics, correct. The SRS should made up to date when appropriate requirements are identified. Second characteristics, unambiguous. When the requirements are correctly understood, then only it is possible to write an unambiguous SRS. The next characteristics, complete. To make the SRS complete, it should be specified what a software designer wants to create a software. Next, consistent. It should be consistent with reference to the functionalities identified. The next characteristic, specific. The requirements should be mentioned specifically. The last characteristic, traceable. It should correctly identify what is the need for the mentioned requirement.